Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Asana. Breaking down larger tasks into smaller, manageable subtasks helps you organize your work more effectively and track progress on complex projects with greater clarity. To get started, open the project that contains the task you want to add subtasks to, navigate through your workspace until you locate the specific project where your task lives. Once you're in the right project, click directly on the task itself. This action will open the task details pane on the right side of your screen, giving you access to all the information and options associated with that task. With the task details pane now open, scroll down until you spot the Add Subtask button. This button is your gateway to breaking down the main task into smaller, actionable pieces. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, a field will appear where you can type the name of your first subtask. Enter whatever you'd like to call this subtask, keeping it clear and descriptive so team members understand exactly what needs to be done. After typing the subtask name, press Enter on your keyboard or simply click outside the field to save it. The subtask will now appear nested under your parent task, creating a visual hierarchy that makes it easy to see how the smaller pieces fit into the larger whole. If you need to add more subtasks, which you likely will for any complex task, simply repeat this process. Click the Add Subtask button again, type the name of your next subtask, and press Enter to save it. You can continue adding as many subtasks as necessary, building out a complete breakdown of everything that needs to happen to complete the parent task. Here's where Asana gets particularly powerful. Click on any individual subtask to open its own details pane. Within this view, you can assign the subtask to specific team members, add a due date to keep everyone on schedule, or even add it to another project separately from the parent task. This flexibility allows you to manage work across multiple dimensions, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks while maintaining clear connections between related work items. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.